In this question, they asked to calculate the regression line of y on x and the regression line of x on y, and they asked to predict y if x is equals to 7 and predict x if y is equals to 17. The regression line of x on y is x minus x bar is equals to bxy into y minus y bar. The formula for bxy, which is regression coefficient, summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar by summation y minus y bar whole square. Next, similarly, to calculate the regression line of y on x, first we need to calculate the regression coefficient of y on x, which is byx, that is equals to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar by summation x minus x bar whole square. So the regression line of y on x will become y minus y bar is equals to byx into x minus x bar. Coming to solution, first we write the number of observation, n is equals to 8. Next we calculate x bar and y bar. X bar is equals to summation x by n. Summation x means we need to add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to 16. The value will become 72. Next n is equals to 8, so we turn 8. Next 72 by 8 is 9. Next we calculate y bars, which is summation y by n. The value of summation y is 86. The value of n is 8, so we substitute 8. 86 by 8 is 10.75. Next we take a tabular form in which we need to calculate x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square, x minus x bar into y minus y bar. First, to calculate x minus x bar whole square, we need to calculate x minus x bar. So we calculating x minus x bar for every element, that is 2 minus 9. Here x bar is 9, so 2 minus 9 is minus 7. Next, for element 4, 4 minus 9 is minus 5. We calculate every individual element. Next, x minus x bar whole square means we need to do the square of x minus x bar, which is minus 7 square is 49, minus 5 square is 25, minus 3 square is 9. We calculate every element. 49 plus 25 plus 9 plus 1 up to 49. The value is x minus x bar whole square is 168. Next, similarly we calculate y minus y bar. Here y bar is 10.75. So 4 minus 10.75 is minus 6.75. 2 minus 10.75 is minus 8.75. We calculate every element. Next we do the square. Minus 6.75 whole square is 45.5625. Next we calculate every element as shown here. Y minus y bar whole square is 325.5. Next we multiply x minus x bar into y minus y bar, which is minus 7 into minus 6.75, which is 47.25. We calculate every element. Then the summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar is 228. To calculate regression line of y on x, first we need to calculate regression coefficient of y on x. The formula is byx is equals to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar by summation x minus x bar whole square. We already calculated summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar, which is 228. Next, summation x minus x bar whole square is 168. The value of byx, that is 228 by 168, is 1.3571. Next we calculate regression line of y on x. The formula is y minus y bar is equals to byx into x minus x bar. Here we need to substitute y bar, byx, x bar. The value of y bar is 10.75. The value of byx is 1.3571. X bar is 9. So we are going to substitute here. Next, we need to multiply 1.3571 with x and 9. Then it become 1.3571 into x minus 1.3571 into 9 is 12.2139. Next we transfer minus 10.75 to the right hand side, then it become plus 10.75. If we calculate minus 12.2139 plus 10.75, the value is minus 1.4639. This is the regression line of y on x. Y is equals to 1.3571 into x minus 1.4639. Here they ask to predict y if x is equals to 7 in the question, so we substitute x is equals to 7 here. Then y will become y is equals to 1.3571 into 7 minus 1.4639. If you multiply 1.3571 into 7, the value is 9.4997. Y is equals to 8.0358. We need to calculate the regression coefficient first. which is bxy is equals to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar by summation y minus y bar whole square. Bxy is 228 by 325.5. The value of 228 by 325.5 is 0.7004. We know that the formula for regression line of x on y is x minus x bar is equals to bxy into y minus y bar. We already calculated bxy, which is 0.7004, x bar is 9, y bar is 10.75. So we are going to substitute here, which is x minus 9 is equals to 0.7004 into y minus 10.75. Here we are going to multiply 0.7004 into y, 0.7004 into minus 10.75. Then x minus 9 is equals to 0.7004 into y minus, when we multiply 0.7004 into minus 10.75, the value will become minus 7.5293. Here we are going to send minus 9 to the right hand side, it will become plus. Therefore x is equals to 0.7004 into y minus 7.5293 plus 9. The value of minus 7.5293 plus 9 is plus 1.4707. Therefore x is equals to 0.7004 into y plus 1.4707. Here they are asked to predict x if y is equals to 17. So we substitute y is equals to 17 in x, then x will become 0.7004 into 17 plus 1.4707. If we multiply 0.7004 into 17, the value is 11.9068. The value of x is 13.3775.